and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. And I'm in the car right now. It's a little different because I decided I'm gonna do a day in my life today. So I'm gonna take you around with me today and show you everything I'm doing. Obviously it's not like an everyday I'm doing this type of thing, but since it's a fun day, I thought I'd show you. So yeah, so we're just driving. This is my mummy.
Hello.
She's driving me to the subway because the first thing we're doing, we're like near Toronto, so the first thing I am doing is going to this ThriftedThis market, and a YouTuber, Sarah Dunk, I think it's like her page and stuff, and so it's like a pop-up, like a thrift store pop-up. So I'm and the exciting part is that I won the prize. So happy. So I'll tell you what I'm getting. I'm getting $50 to spend there, so I'm so happy about that because, you know, $50 is good, especially when I can spend it on thrifted clothes. That's pretty sweet. And then I'm getting a $30 Revitalize gift card, like this juice thing. And then I'm getting a free pass to like the place that's being held at in the swag bag for like later. And then I'm also getting a hand-dyed tee by Simply Suzette, if you know who she is. She's like a jeans girl, and like she does like natural stuff, I think, sustainable clothing, you know? So it's good. And yeah, so I'm really excited. So I'm doing that first. I'm on my way there.
First we're going to Tim's.
Oh yeah, I gotta get some Tim's, you know? Gotta fill the bellies for the big day. But anyway, so I'm going there first. I'm gonna do some thrifting. I'll take you there with me. Then I'm gonna meet my boyfriend downtown. We're gonna just do some shopping, whatever, downtown Toronto. And then we are going to a concert. We're going to a Passion Pit concert tonight. So I'm just gonna take you along with me today. It's gonna be fun, you know what I mean? So that is that. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, we're just coming up to the ThriftedThis place. I'm so excited. It just opened 10 minutes ago. I'm a little bit late, so there's no line outside, so that's good because that means everyone got in. So hopefully I get in. It's right here. Wish me luck. Hope I find some good stuff. Okay, so I guess I somehow pressed stop recording instead of recording, so I missed this whole conversation I had with Sarah, but basically she was just kind of explaining like what ThriftedThis was and stuff, but yeah, sorry about that. That was a big fail. Alright guys, so I got lots of stuff and I got $50 off because I won the prize, so that was sweet. And I talked to Haley for a second, Haley's Corner, if you know her, and Sarah Dunk, and Susie Suzette, Annie, she's on Instagram, she sells like jeans and stuff, and they're all just so nice, and they're so nice, so definitely recommend. Sarah's page is like ThriftedThis, so she reposts like fully thrifted outfits, so if you're into that stuff, you could like check it out. That's basically what this was, the ThriftedThis market. But anyway, now, since I got also a $30 gift card to like this restaurant, I'm gonna go there and get some lunch before I meet Adam, and yeah. But I got this bowl and I got this juice, and then I got one more juice that I'm gonna grab on the way out. It's like a citrus one from Adam when I see him, and it was perfect because I had a $30 gift card and it was exactly $30. So it's a good day. But anyway, it was good. I'm just gonna eat this. See you soon.
T-shirt collection in Canada.
Damn.
Wow.
Okay guys, so I'm going to show you my outfit for today now that I have a mirror. So I just have this fuzzy, you know, good. It's from Garage. This I got, it's long sleeve, as you can see. I actually got it for like on sale or something at Ross's. This belt I just thrifted, and same with the shoes, they are thrifted. Nike, the bronze, the Olympic ones. I think they're from 2008. But yeah, and then I got these jeans. Literally all my jeans are thrifted except for this pair. These are from Zara because they fit me so good. So yeah, but that's my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys what I got a little bit later today, so stay tuned for that. But just for now, we're like walking around, you know. But I'm gonna show you soon.
How was the walk? It was decent.
Haley, Michael,
Yeah.
boys, and Liam. Okay guys, we're getting ready. We have like what, 15 minutes?
Maybe. We're lucky.
I just took all my makeup off. I have to redo all my makeup.
It was a ballsy move.
It was a ballsy move, but we're gonna do it. I'm just gonna do really quick, whatever, you know? Okay, I look crazy.
That's what I look like.
You look like a
Maleficent.
Michael?
Yeah.
What time is it? Okay, we have 5 minutes.
We have -4 minutes.
You like my makeup? Do you think it's just did it? Okay, so we don't have much time, but I'm really quickly gonna show you what I got at the thrift market because we're leaving soon and then it's gonna be the end of the day, whatever. So I got these pants. Maybe I'll even wear them tonight. Ooh, they go with my shirt, kind of. These pants, really cool. They're from Boohoo or whatever. They're like in the charity bin. I kind of wanted like tracky pants like this for like festivals, whatever. Yeah, good. Then I got this Harley Davidson shirt. That was only $5 the pants. I got this Harley Davidson shirt. Pretty great. It was 20 bucks, reasonable, you know, for Harley Davidson. Very good. I got this skirt from the charity bin, and it's really flowy, and I just really want like a flowy, you know, skirt. But yeah, and it's $5. Very good. So I was talking to Sydney Suzette, and she like does a lot of jeans and like renewable stuff and whatever. So I got some stuff from her. So I got this super awesome Armani oversized t-shirt, and it was 10 bucks. So that was a really good deal. And then I got this super cozy, super cute, like white sweater, white crew neck, and I don't have any white crew necks, so I just wanted to get it, and it was really good. And then I also got this pair pair of jeans. They're Levi's and they're really tight, so I'm really happy about that. And then I also got this shirt because I was the prize winner, so this was the shirt that I got, and she like hand dyed this shirt. It's Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt, which is kind of cool, and she hand dyed this and it's super good. I love blue, so that's great. And then also everyone got like clips. I don't know if you can see, but everyone got like clips and stuff with their purchase. I might even wear some tonight. But yeah, I only have like 2 minutes. And then, Adam, if you're watching, don't watch any further, but I got this PlayStation, like really cool vintage shirt. It has like PlayStation here and down there. I hope he didn't just hear me. Anyways, he worked at PlayStation and I showed him this and he's like, oh, I really like it, but like I'm not gonna buy it. So then I bought it for him. I'm gonna give it to him for our anniversary. Hope you understood everything I just said, but yeah. So that's what I got from the thrift store. Now I'm quickly gonna choose my outfit and I'll show you what I'm wearing tonight, and yeah. Here's my outfit. I got red socks, white shoes, red, white and red, match the red, and then I have the blue, and then the yellow, and then the yellow hat, and then it matches. It's good. Alright, so I'm gonna do my makeup really fast. I mean, it's just really chill makeup. I don't wear that much makeup, but like, at least I did it. We're gonna be late, but what's new with me? You know what I mean? Oh my god, my nails match my shirt. Okay, okay, see you guys. Guys, we just got back and thank you so much for watching my day in the life. Come on in if you want. There she is, my lifelong bestie. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this. If you like this, then let me know if I'm liking it, and if you want to see other videos, I do like thrifting and upcycling.
She does it all.
Oh,
she does it all.
Thank you so much. But anyway, yeah, was the concert good?
Rocked my socks right off.
Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on next Friday. Have a great rest of your day. See you next week.